Sick of trash speakers? Meet Bose's sound wizard that makes walls sing and rain dance, literally. Ever tried to host a party with a weak Bluetooth speaker? Yeah, it's basically social sabotage. You're stuck battling tinny sound, inconsistent connection, and the dreaded "where's the bass" syndrome. You're juggling your phone between songs, praying the battery lasts, and yelling over the music that's barely louder than your grandma's old radio. It's not just frustrating, it's soul-sucking. Whether you're trying to vibe, grind, or unwind, nothing kills your groove like a speaker that flakes when the moment's lit. Time's too precious for gear that underdelivers when you need it to pop off. Let's crank up the pain. You're halfway through your playlist, and boom, battery dies. You take it near the pool, splash, it's game over. The sound's flat, directional, like a cheap megaphone yelling into a shoebox. Everyone's crowding around just to hear it, and your immersive party turns into awkward background noise. You're switching devices like a DJ gone rogue, while your friends are secretly judging your tech choices. Honestly? You deserve better. It's not just a party problem, it's a whole vibe crisis. Your space, your mood, your soundtrack, sabotaged by subpar sound. You didn't come this far to settle for basic. This isn't a speaker. It's a portable sound sorcerer engineered by Bose to obliterate dead zones and unleash true 360 degrees audio magic. The aluminum armor shrugs off rain, dust, and even clumsy friends. It's compact, but don't let that fool you. This baby roars with rich, immersive sound that radiates evenly through your room, backyard, or golf cart cup holder. 13 hours of nonstop audio ecstasy, hands-free voice assistant access, crystal clear calls, and seamless pairing with two devices at once. Bonus, link up another Revolve II and unleash stereo mode that slaps harder than your favorite concert. Set it in the center, by the wall, on a bookshelf, doesn't matter. The SoundLink Revolve II fills every inch with luscious, detailed audio. Need more? Party mode gets the room jumping. Want precision? Stereo mode separates instruments like a Grammy-winning sound engineer. The Bose Connect app makes controlling your setup feel like child's play. Even syncing with Alexa or other Bose gear is effortless. All you do is press, pair, and play. Whether it's a solo chill session or group chaos, this speaker adapts, conquers, and delivers. And yes, it sounds just as good during meetings as it does during margaritas. Why wait? The audio revolution doesn't start without you. Don't let another gathering be remembered for that one-week speaker. Whether you're turning up, tuning in, or totally checking out, the Bose SoundLink Revolve II is your no-compromise sidekick. Go ahead, ditch the static, the stress, the speaker shame. Grab yours now and let the sound wrap around you like a sonic hug. Warning, once you hear what real portable power sounds like, there's no going back. Click that buy button before the vibes run out. Your ears, and your reputation, will thank you.